Let's make a TV bench in Pro-Store program. This program is made especially for easy creation of different furniture. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. I've already opened the program and created the room. Now I'm moving to the corner of the room. Click on the new element, then click on the left wall. Click twice on the element, position, and make sure there are 3 zeros. Dimensions. This element is going to be the left wall of our bench. Height 400, depth 300. Enter. Click on the element with your right mouse button, center. And then I'm moving to the right a little bit. Click on the element, then on your keyboard, Ctrl-D. That's how we can make a copy. Hold down your left mouse button and put this element to the bottom and then to the right. Ctrl-D, Ctrl-R. In this menu we can rotate the element. We need Z-axis, rotate twice. Moving it. Click twice. The width of the bunch is 1200. We have 2 walls here and here. Both of them are 18. So I'm writing down -18 minus 18. Enter, enter. Now hold down left mouse button and move it to the left. Click on this element, Ctrl-D, move it to the left. Hold down the Shift on your keyboard, click on the left wall, and then align tops, Y-axis. Click on the wall, Ctrl-D, put it to the bottom, stretch in height, and Ctrl-D, we need one more copy. Now hold down the Shift, then select all vertical elements. We need 2 distance centers, X-axis. Click. We have 3 identical cells. We need a drawer. I'm moving to the right. Select these 4 elements, Ctrl-D, and move it to the right. In Pro-Store, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes, and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the Pro-Store program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications, and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. Ctrl-G. This is how we can group elements together. Click twice with 200, height 200, depth 90. Okay, Ctrl-R and click center, Ctrl-R, X-axis, rotate twice. Move it to the bottom and then this way. Click on this element, Ctrl-D, double click with +18 +18 +30. Enter, and then align centers, X-axis. Okay, and height 120, I suppose. This element's position to the bottom 10. Okay, this is the small drawer. We need only the bottom of the drawer. Ctrl D, Ctrl R, Z-axis, rotate twice, double click, dimensions, height 4. Hold down the shift, click on the elements and align bottoms, and then just stretch it. Hold down the shift, select all, Ctrl G, and move it here. Double click, dimensions, depth 260. Hold down the shift, click on the bottom, align front Y-axis, move it to the left and stretch it. Don't be afraid. Now we click here twice and hide and divide by 2. Enter, Ctrl D, move it, done. Now we have 2 drawers. Then select both of them, Ctrl D, and move it to the left. Now we need only one shelf. Ctrl D and stretch it in the length. We have to put it in the center, so hold down the shift, click on this element and align centers, Y-axis. Done. I'm turning off the contours and here we are. Select all, Ctrl G and center. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching.